going on, people? Tony here, Football Fan TV with Benji, Zoe. Why are people happy? Why are you laughing at Manu? They don't play friendlies. Manu managed to win one game. It was against Arsenal, and that's how the friendlies ended. So you wanted to talk about Manu, so go and have the hand. You're wearing Manu. So.
Honestly, I think after they played like Arsenal match, the boys that came out to it, they finally got a voice.
Yeah.
Like, we're actually going to play well this season. We got this, we have pounds.
We don't need Casemiro. We have Maino. Yeah.
And then after they beat Arsenal, really won. Like, if we had beat Arsenal, what do you think we're going to do to everyone else? Well, like, it was in the beginning of the season,
Yeah.
So we were kind of worried. I wasn't worried, but like, I was like, okay, let's see. And then
Madrid.
they had a big loss. And we were like, you know what? It's Madrid.
They're really nice goals though. They moved them very nice goals.
They lost.
Onana.
Onana
was cheap. Hey, that was against Dortmund. Yeah.
Yeah. Because of his passing.
Oh, that day he played better than Casemiro by the against Madrid. He played better than Casemiro.
Casemiro is feeling nostalgic because man, they're playing your old boys, yeah? He was at Madrid for too long, so it kind of makes sense. It's hard to play against guys that are your mates, yeah? Yeah. So let's forgive you for that.
Football is back. Curtain Raiser is here this weekend. Arsenal plays Manchester City at Wembley, the Community Shield.
I miss doing this, bro.
It's okay. So I don't know what your thoughts are on the game, but me, I know what happens. It always goes down when you're playing against Manchester City. So, guys, I'm coming to Arsenal with fingers crossed on Sunday. So, honestly, if Arsenal manages to beat Man City on Sunday, I'll be a little bit happy and be like, okay, there's a step we made. Because probably in the last 7 years, we've not managed to beat Man City.
Yeah.
The only time we beat them was in the FA Cup.
Aubameyang. Yeah, I'll never forget
There was
that.
many other times. And they've always beaten us 3 goals
Yeah.
more. So it was only that one goal in the Carabao where they only managed to beat us by 2
Netanyahu,
goals.
yeah.
So, Man City, if we manage to get a win this Sunday, it will be a good start and it will energize the boys for the season that's coming. So, your thoughts on the game?
First of all, just like a spoiler into FPL, Haaland is going for 14 million, so better do the math chap. The reason I'm bringing that up is I've watched our preseason games, and even though we've not had like so many transfers like my neighbor here, our team is still solid, still jovial. Guys are enjoying themselves. They're still in that mood from all the partying they did after winning the treble. So I feel like playing against Arsenal is the perfect curtain raiser because Arsenal is our bitch, yeah? We've dominated Arsenal for the last 8 years, bruh. And it's been nothing but...
But I hope you don't follow your words after
No, bro. The games you go for, even last season we were fighting for the trophy, and we had that season decider. I was calm. I knew we were going to whoop you guys. I have 2 jerseys. I wanted to give her one because she was like ready to banter you so hard. But we didn't manage to meet up. But for this particular game, I think it will be a chance for Kovacic to show everyone what kind of class he brings to our team.
I remember you saying that is going to be the kickstarting of Calvin Phillips' Man City career. Is it going to start that?
Bruh, his preseason has been awful, man. It's been awful. I'm rooting for the guy on a neutral point of view because it's not nice to see someone try so hard to fit in. But he's not, even when he gets a chance, bruh, he's not just clicking, yeah? I don't know what's going on. I don't know if he just doesn't believe in himself, if he needs a shrink. But it's just not working out. So I think he should go for a loan or something. Like on a loan spell, somewhere in the Premier League. For a team that needs him. Crystal Palace might need a guy like that now because of the way Roy plays. But yeah, for me, it's going to be an interesting game. High octane. It's just exciting. Like, I'll wake up in the morning, watch USA versus Sweden, the ladies' game, and then later in the evening get to watch you guys get whooped, which is quite interesting. And yeah.
Zoe, what do you think? What are your thoughts on the game that is going to be coming on Sunday?
Personally, all I'm coming for is to see how they're going to score us. We want something like if they're going to score, who is going to shoot for them. warehouse. It's full. That's what I'm used to them. But, that's it. Like, you guys are going to lose. It's obvious. I just don't know how to see how we're going to lose. It's really interesting. Like,
Yeah.
Rodri will give an out of the box shot, and probably Kovacic will add another out of the box shot.
Yeah.
It's going to be really interesting.
Okay. So
I'm rooting for my man over, like, hard. Don't know.
okay. So now, for you guys obviously going to be hooked. Yes, those are fast, but I believe things change. And like I said earlier on, if we manage to get a result
Yeah.
in the community,
It'll be a huge
it will
boost
be
for
a
you.
very, very huge boost, and it will be like a step forward and a step towards what Ateta is trying to do. And possible lineups. But who do you think is going to be starting?
We know Pep. He's obviously going strong. Kyle Walker will start because finally, bro, like beginning of the transfer season, I was sure this guy is going. Yeah. But finally, we've settled down. Walker, Bernardo, Laporte are all staying. So I feel calm. I was a little bit worried because everyone was leaving. There's like an exodus happening. But now I've only lost Mahrez and Gundo. We lost Sterling, Jesus, and Zinchenko in one window and we're still okay. Yeah. We lost my favorite player, Sane, but we're still okay. So possible lineups, I think Alvarez will start with Haaland. Because Pep is still experimenting to see how those two can play together. KDB is still not so fit, so he might not play. He has not really played in the preseason games. In goal, Ederson will play. He has a new haircut, which looks awful, but every season starts like that. Bernardo is a married man, so he might also start on the bench. But I think on the Arsenal side, I'm really interested to see how you line up with all the talent you've just bought. Declan Rice, I want to see him in action against Rodri, against that midfield of Kova and Rodri, And yeah, at the end of the day, bro, whoever comes off the bench, Oscar Bob, that kid is magic. Look out for him, yeah?
What number does he play?
He plays similar to where Maris plays. He plays in the wing, yeah?
Okay.
But he's a really, really good kid. Then McCarthy came up from loan from Sheffield, and he did really well. 21 games for Sheffield. He had about 14 goals and like 13 like 7 assists or something like that. It was a very solid option as well. Foden is playing really well. For me, it's not even about the possible lineups. It's about the scoreline. It's about how.
That's what you.
Yeah, because for you,
Who
for you
is
this
that?
is still the game.
It's
For
okay.
you,
We'll
this
get
is
to the predictions. Yeah.
For you, yeah, it's
what
sad,
is your
but it's the
lineup?
truth. For you, this is the game where you have to prove yourselves. For us, it's just a normal day in office. You get until you beat Man City, no one takes you seriously because you failed to do it for so long.
Spurs has beaten Man City, but we've never taken them serious.
No, I mean for you as Arsenal, yeah. Spurs beats us ever since they got a new stadium.
Yeah.
They got some chick from Nigeria, did some juju there, and we can't score a goal. And that's in that stadium.
Well,
But look at that position, bro.
for Arsenal, I think we're going to start with Ramsdale in goal, probably Timber on the left because Tierney, I think, is not favored by Ateta, and Zini is still having some injury. Then in the
Oh, he's injured. I
centre-backs-
thought he's going to play his
No, he's
Ukraine
not
game.
going to be able to play. He's actually going to be, I think, on the bench for that game because he has an issue. I don't know. But if he plays the Ukraine game, still he won't be able to play the game on Sunday.
Yeah.
So in the, we will have Saliba and then Gabriel, then in the midfield, probably Rice, Havertz, and Odegaard. That's what he wants to go with. But there's also chances of Trossard playing instead of
You're pulling
Havertz.
him back to the midfield?
Yes, he has been playing as an 8 in the preseason.
You only scored those 2 goals.
Yeah, he's playing as an 8. Yeah. So then in France, Bukayo Saka, Jesus,
The usual.
and then Martinelli. Or you might put some other person there because they're playing Ketia on the left. I don't even know what he's trying.
Balogan.
He hasn't played one game actually in preseason. Looks like he's
Is
going to
it joining your main team?
I don't know because then the predictions.
For me, it's 3-1 to Man City.
3-1. Okay, I'm going to say one. Arsenal is going to win 2-1.
Look at the camera, bro.
Okay.
Same gesture.
With my guess,
Yeah.
we are going to beat Man City 2-1 on Sunday by the Community Shield. And keep this.
Yeah.
Please don't run after the game. We are going to beat them 2-1.
What are we betting though?
I don't know what we're betting, but yeah, just keep it. But so, going to a very interesting statistic from one of our producers. Arsenal has never lost to Man City at Wembley in recent years. So that's one of the facts he's giving me. So that's why now I'm saying it with chest. We are beating them now 2-1.
The reason why that has never happened is because you've rarely been with us at Wembley. When did you last win the league?
But we've always been winning the FA Cup.
And who was winning the league during the time?
How many times have we met at Wembley? Remember that final where
Right.
Aubameyang won?
So if you beat us this Sunday, I bet lunch.
Look at the camera and
Lunch,
say
yeah.
that.
Lunch.
Where?
At Stonehaven.
Okay.
Kololo.
Zoe, are you still with him on the prediction or are you changing your mind?
We shoot a pot from
You can't bet.
I can't not be.
Okay, what do I put?
It's on the money, bro.
What do I make? You're going to
Stonehaven
get
is bomb.
you're going to get a jersey for Man City from me.
Not this cheap shit.
Yeah, I'm going to get you.
No,
Of course, I'm going to get you the
It's just from the Etihad, by the way. I told you.
I'm not going to the Etihad to get you the jersey, but you're going to get a jersey so for Man City. So these are the predictions, lunch and the jersey. So
Good.
I think that's it for the
Gentlemen,
agreement. Agree.
Last time I met with this guy, he took my things.
Tell them.
He actually literally took.
Ah,
Bro,
you're
last
scaring me,
minute.
but no.
It was literally last minute thing like this on the buzz. Oh my days, it still has me up to now.
Anyway, that's all we had for you. The Community Shield is going to be on Sunday. Man City, Arsenal. Shouts out to Extras for always hosting us, giving us a space. Good production. If you want some photography, videography, ads run all over, they're there. And as well, if you want to do podcasts, always reach out to Extras. Links in the description. The room number is MQ88, New Makuba Road Park in Kampala. Also, shouts out to man like Peter, Epic UG, for always hooking us with the jerseys. They have all sports equipment, footballs. Yeah, I'm looking at this. Yeah, so shout out to Epic UG for all the jerseys you may need. Make sure you reach out to them. Also, the links in the description. So, I think we're going next week. Either I'll be crying or he'll be crying. So, make sure you watch out for that. For that episode. Yeah. Anyways.
They'll bring you a candle and your food and a milkshake. Oh God. That'd be
Anyways, man. Nice one. See you guys in the next one.
My boys will tell for me.
Yeah. So.